How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie is a timeless guide on building relationships, communication, and leadership. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Grow Eyes. Without wasting your precious time, let's begin the video. This is the story of Sam, a journey to winning friends and influencing people. Once there was a man named Sam. He had always struggled to connect with others. He was smart and worked hard, but no one seemed to pay attention to his ideas, and he couldn't figure out why. One day, feeling frustrated, Sam met an old, wise man who offered him timeless advice. "Let me tell you," the wise man said, "how you can change your life by changing the way you interact with people." Sam was intrigued and listened carefully. The power of appreciation. The wise man began, "Everyone likes to feel important. If you show genuine appreciation for people, you'll win their hearts." Sam decided to test this advice. At work the next day, he thanked his colleague Sarah for always being punctual and organized. She smiled broadly, surprised by the compliment. Over time, they became good friends, and Sarah became one of his strongest allies at work. Sam realized that people crave appreciation, not flattery. He learned that to win friends, he needed to recognize the good in others, even in the smallest ways. Understanding others' perspectives. The wise man continued, "If you want people to like you, show interest in them. Be curious about their stories." Sam put this into practice. One evening at a dinner party, instead of talking about himself, he asked his neighbor Michael about his work. Michael, who usually appeared reserved, opened up, sharing stories about his passion for photography. Sam didn't interrupt, just nodded and listened attentively. Michael left the dinner saying, "Sam is a great conversationalist," though Sam had said very little. Sam learned that by encouraging others to speak about themselves, he made them feel valued and important. The magic of a smile. The wise man then taught Sam the simplest yet most profound lesson. A smile can open more doors than words ever can. Sam tried this the next day. He smiled at a busy cashier who looked stressed. The cashier, taken aback, smiled back and her mood lifted. Over time, Sam noticed that by simply smiling at people, whether it was his neighbors, coworkers, or even strangers, he could change their entire attitude toward him. Sam understood that a genuine smile could disarm tension and create warmth in any situation. The art of remembering names. One day, the wise man told Sam, "A person's name is the sweetest sound to their ears. Use it often." Sam remembered this when he met a new client, Rachel. Instead of quickly forgetting her name, he made an effort to use it in conversation. "Rachel, it's great to hear your thoughts on this," he said during their meeting. Rachel beamed each time he used her name, and by the end of the meeting, she felt connected to Sam. Sam realized that remembering and using people's names could make them feel noticed and valued. Avoiding arguments. The wise man gave Sam another piece of advice. The only way to win an argument is to avoid it. No one ever really wins. Sam reflected on this when he found himself in a heated discussion with a colleague, David, about a project. Instead of arguing further, Sam stepped back and said, "David, I can see you have a good point there. Let's work together to find a solution that satisfies both of us." David was taken aback, but then relaxed, and they quickly found a compromise. Sam realized that avoiding arguments didn't mean giving in, but rather steering the conversation toward collaboration. Admitting mistakes. Quickly one afternoon, Sam made an error on a report. Before anyone else could point it out, he went straight to his boss and said, "I made a mistake on this. Let me correct it." His boss, expecting a defensive reaction, was pleasantly surprised. She said, "Thank you for admitting it so quickly. Let's fix it together." Sam learned that when he admitted his faults without hesitation, people respected him more, and conflicts were avoided. Letting others feel like it's their idea. The wise man shared a final insight. People like to feel that ideas are their own. If you want someone to adopt your idea, guide them to think it was theirs. Sam used this with his team. He had a great plan for a new marketing campaign, but instead of presenting it as his own, he asked, "How do you think we could reach more customers? What if we tried something like X or Y?" Soon, the team suggested a version of his idea, and they felt enthusiastic about implementing it. Sam realized that letting others take ownership of ideas made them more motivated and cooperated. Becoming a leader. As Sam put these lessons into practice, he began to rise as a leader in his workplace and community. He learned that leadership wasn't about giving orders, but about inspiring others. He praised in public, criticized gently in private, and gave others the chance to shine. His team grew loyal to him, and they achieved great success together. One day, Sam met the wise man again and thanked him for the invaluable advice. The wise man smiled and said, "You've done well, Sam. Remember, these are not just tactics, but ways to genuinely respect and value people. That's the real secret to winning friends and influencing others." This is Sam's story, but it could be anyone's. The principles he learned, appreciating others, avoiding arguments, smiling, using names, admitting mistakes, listening, and giving others credit, are simple yet transformative. Sam's journey shows that these skills are not about manipulation, but about fostering meaningful relationships that lead to success and happiness. In the end of the video, I highly suggested you to execute all the principles in your life. So that's all for today's video. If you are interested in self-improvement, then make sure hit the subscribe button. I am not forcing you. But if you like the content, then hit like and subscribe. It will motivate me to create more content like this. See ya in next video.